Hi everyone, today I am on the Gold Coast. I cannot wait to take you inside this beautifully renovated home. So let's step inside and take a look around. Behind the pink door, you're welcomed with a stunning chandelier and also a custom staircase runner. Now, I absolutely love this runner because if you can see, it's got pink details on the sides. Now, heading upstairs, we'll head into the main living area. So I already love how bright and airy it is thanks to all the windows, beautiful floorboards, and I also love the fireplace. Now with this fireplace, you've got the stone feature wall, which is a feature in itself. Behind me, you've got a separate room, which is like a media room. And then if we keep going, we come straight into the dining area and kitchen area. Now, standout in this home would have to be the kitchen, and that is because this kitchen is so unique. It has pink quartz bench tops. Now, I've never seen anything like it. You can actually make jewelry out of this pink quartz, and they've also used it as a backsplash, and this backsplash actually lights up, so you've got a little power point on the corner there, and at night time it is incredible. You've got a beautiful golden sink, and then of course you've got all these sliding doors that really bring in all the natural light. So let's go outside so we can step into the balcony so we can take a look at the incredible views. So you've got views of the Gold Coast, the city down there. It would look incredible in the evenings. And then you just got this lovely breeze coming through as well. So now we're walking towards the powder room. And what I love about this home is you've got pink touches throughout the house. Now this powder room's got some fabulous pink tiles. Very, very cute. Love it. And then straight across here, you've got a study area, but take a look at this. You've got so much storage space. I always say there is never enough storage space in a home. It's always needed. Now this home has 5 bedrooms, with the master bedroom retreat being on the very top floor. So what we'll do now is we'll head upstairs to check out the master bedroom. Now, as you go upstairs, you come across your walk-in robe. Again, lots of storage space. It feels very bright in the area upstairs because of all the windows. Actually, the whole house is full of windows, which I personally love. You've also got another balcony, which takes you straight outside. Again, you've got beautiful city views. And then we step straight back inside to have a look at your ensuite. Love it. You've got a bathtub, a shower, a his and her sink, and of course that beautiful pale pink on the walls. Now guys, if you've got any questions on this home, leave them in the comments. It is currently for sale. All right, let's head downstairs. Now on the ground floor, you will find a very large living area and also the remainder of the bedrooms. Now we'll go into bedroom number 2. This is another bedroom that has a walk-in robe and also your own ensuite. And with the ensuite, you've got that pink touch again with those beautiful tiles. All right, now from this bedroom, you can actually walk straight outside into your alfresco area. I love how there's a section that's completely covered so you can spend, time outside during any kind of weather. You've got this beautiful oasis, your pool area with an outdoor shower. Now this gives you an idea of the size of this home and all of the balconies. Stepping back inside, we come across another living area. Now this area here is used as a kids' entertaining room. So you've got the remainder of the bedrooms. Now each and every single bedroom has a huge window, so lots of natural light coming in. Pink touches throughout, as you can see. And then straight across this way, you've got your laundry area. Now the great thing with this laundry is you can head straight outside into the garden. And this is your guest bathroom. Now I'm loving the arches, so it's quite a spacious bathroom because you've got a shower and also a bathtub. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the home tour. Thank you so much for watching.